Hello everybody, welcome back to Crafty Cabbage. Today I have a super awesome video planned. Today I am going to be trying out the art trend of spin art, but I'm going to be putting a spin on it. I am going to be painting a Harry Potter character in the middle, then taping over it, and then doing the spin art trend on the outside, so like Harry will be inside of the spin art. It's kind of hard to explain, but anyway, let's jump right into the video. This is going to be a super easy tutorial to follow, so make sure you keep watching. Step 1 is to sketch and paint your character. I'm doing Harry Potter. Now, since we don't want the spin art actually going onto our character, I am going to tape over my Harry Potter painting. Now, in order to attach this, you can look up on Google how to attach canvas to drill for spin art. That's what I did. So I just made this pretty simple rig. It didn't completely work, but it did the job for this first time. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please do give this video a big thumbs up down below. And if you have not already, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure to follow my TikTok and Instagram. Links in the description. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!